Hello guys, try this pancakes at home.
I'm sure members of your family will gonna love this. By adding cookies and syrup on top makes your pancakes more enjoyable to eat. Let's start. In a bowl, add the pancake flour and just follow the packaging direction. 158 milliliters water. Mix until free from big lumps. Brush pan with oil and preheat at medium-high setting. Pour about an 1/8 cup batter onto heated pan. When the edges look dry, turn pancakes over and cook until golden brown. And we're done. Put a cube size of butter on top for a nice representation. Add some chocolate syrup for the better taste. Add some cookies to make your pancakes look different. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.